fleet cost and care. This is the future of connected operations. Modern job scheduling built for real-time operational control. Flexible views, day, week, month, custom, with personalized layouts. Drag and shift resources. Confirmation prompts ensure controlled schedule updates. Access critical job details without breaking workflow. Integrated mapping delivers real-time visibility, job locations, statuses, and details in one view for better field coordination.